Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now by powering the watch off and removing the band to expose the back. Once done, protect the crystal with tape and position the watch face down on a soft pad. Use the correct case opener or 1.2 driver to remove screws, or a snap tool if your model is press-fit. Be gentle to avoid crushing the gasket. Make sure to note the battery code stamped next to the cell before you proceed. This prevents buying the wrong replacement. Once the back is off, you'll see the gasket and battery retainer. Keep the gasket in its exact orientation. Next, use plastic tweezers to unclip the battery connector or lift the metal retainer. Do this slowly to avoid bending contacts. Remove the old coin cell and compare both the code and polarity to the new one, because a swapped polarity can prevent startup. If tiny screws hold the retainer, make sure you track them precisely so reassembly is exact. Put the replacement cell in with the correct polarity, then reattach the retainer and reconnect the contact. You should hear or feel a firm seat. Before sealing, power the watch on to confirm operation, and if it won't start, recheck contacts and battery orientation. Once confirmed, inspect or replace the gasket and lightly grease it if needed. Then reseat the back evenly and tighten screws, or use a case press for press-fit backs. If leaks or issues persist, double-check.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.